Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to turn off preferred route on Apple Maps, so Apple Maps will stop learning your regular travel habits and predicted destinations. Apple Maps normally uses on-device intelligence to learn the places you visit most often, such as your home, workplace, or school. It can then provide traffic alerts, route suggestions, and estimated travel times based on your routine. However, if you prefer more privacy, you can easily turn this feature off. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. From here, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Maps, then tap on it to open the Apple Maps settings. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, inside the map settings, tap on the location option. Here, scroll down until you find the setting called Preferred Routes and Predicted Destinations. If the toggle is turned on, Apple Maps will continue learning your daily routes and showing predictions. To disable this feature, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, Apple Maps will stop tracking and learning your regular commuting patterns. However, you will still receive normal navigation and live traffic information whenever you actively use Maps for directions. And if you ever decide to turn the feature back on, you can return to the same settings page and enable the toggle again anytime. That's it. You have successfully learned how to disable preferred routes in Apple Maps on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.